Tech in Malayalam YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing how to fix overheating the phone while charging your device. So, how to fix it? Just go to your settings, then go to the enable the developer options. You can't see the developer option. Just go to the about phone, then software information. You can see the build numbers section. Just tap one or more time, then the developer mode open, the settings. You can see the developer options, then just search fast. Now you can see fast charging. Okay, just disable this option, then charge. You can see the magic, your phone not heat while charging. In case you are enabling this option, your phone warming and heating high, so do the change in your device. Thank you.